nge-treatment abathi hey mina ngiyagula ngikhona ukuyeka lamapilisi. No, if you are a child of God and uJesu ukhona ngaphakathi kuwe, yeka i-treatment, yeka treatment. As long uphuza treatment, it is because you don't have faith in Jesus. Umnikeza 50%, amapilisi wanikeza 50%, 100. Uthi uJesu ngiyamthanda kodwa angeke ngiyeke amapilisi, that is 50-50. And uJesu akafuni ukuthi ahlanganiswe nezinye izinto. Ukuthi akafuni ukubheka uma uphuza amapilisi, phuza amapilisi. Ungathathi ipilisi then uyathandaza ngegazi lika Jesu makuqeda uphuza ipilisi. If uthembe uJesu biza igazi lakhe, yena uzayimela into yakhe. If wena umthanda 100%, naye uzaba khona kuwe, he will fight for you. Unengiluzi zakhe.
Angikhathali ukuthi uyinyanga iphuma phansi kwamanzi o umprofita owehle ezulwini okwemana. I don't care. Into engiyicelayo ungalahlekeli la. Inyawo lingakulahleli la. Elami igama lingaphumi ngaphakathi komlomo wakho. Angifuni ukuthola sekuthiwa hey Khelly Khumalo or gogo Khehlakazi or whatever the case may be, nginomlayezo wakho la
ngicela nje mayikhuluma iyayixova inkulumo ithi ukukhuluma ngalokhu kuqhamuke enye eceleni ikhulume ngalokhu umuntu umuze ekhulume ngathi into yakhe ayikhulumayo ayihlangani. It's because ulalela izinto eziningi ezikhuluma kuyena. Athi umuntu hayi hamba udle emgqomeni, yabo athi omunye hayi khona ibhasi, yabo aphendula athi hayi ibhasi, athi hayi ngizodla. Kuqhamuke enye ithi abakufuni kini, athi hawu bayangithakatha. Qhamuke enye elekuzana ezothi wena uyagula wena, athi angihlanye.
Kunomunye umfana ngazi bathi umgijimi oreni. Yini lo mfana lo ushumayela ngoJesu kakhulu? Lo mfana lo odinga iscan sebrain. Ubani? Enigma. I want to encourage you, church, don't watch that boy. What you're doing, if you watch that boy. Don't watch him.